I have entered all four of these scenarios. Now I can view the impact on the company income statement. I can view the effect of each scenario by selecting that scenario in the Scenario Manager dialog box. I switch from one scenario to another by clicking the Show button in the Scenario Manager dialog box. You do not have to close the dialog box to switch scenarios. I will start by viewing the results of the reduced operation scenario. In the Scenario Manager dialog box, select Reduce Operations from the Scenarios list. Click Show button. The values in the income statement worksheet change to reflect the scenario. Click Close. The income statement is updated to show reduced operations with increased fixed expenses. The values in these two cells and in these four cells are called input values under the reduce operation scenario. The values in these three cells are called result values under the reduced operation scenario. Excel automatically changes the values of the 6 input cells to match the scenario. Under the reduced operation scenarios, the company net income in this cell is negative $195,000. It means under the reduced operation scenario, company loses its income. To view the impact of the remaining scenarios, click Scenario Manager, select the expanded operations from the scenarios list. Click Show. The income statement is updated to show expanded operations with increased fixed expenses. Under this expanded operations scenario, the company income increases to $295,000. Select the summer sales scenario from the list. Click Show. The income statement is updated to show summer sale values. Under summer sales scenario, the profit of the company increases. The net income of the company increases to $1,130,000. After you create a scenario, you can edit its assumptions to view other possible outcomes. When you edit a scenario, the worksheet calculations are automatically updated to reflect the new scenario. I want to edit the summer sales scenario average price value. For this, click Edit button. You don't need to make any changes in this dialog box. Click OK. I change the average price per unit 320 to 310. Type 310. Click OK. Click Show button. The income worksheet updates to reflect the revised scenario. In this way, you can view the company net income and edit the scenario in the income worksheet.